future of manufacturing. Before us is the Agibot Yuanzheng A2-W, an advanced dual-arm wheeled industrial robot born from the strategic collaboration between iTECH and Agibot. No longer a rigid robot that stays in one corner, this embodied AI robot is specifically designed for high mobility and full flexibility on the modern factory floor. Built with industrial-grade aluminum alloy material resulting from a precision CNC process, the build quality of this robot is very tough for non-stop operation. At the top of the chassis, there is an industrial-grade interactive display that serves as a real-time diagnostic interface for the operator. The secret of this robot's intelligence lies in its computational brain. Armed with a high-performance main processor and a high-specification GPU for AI edge computing, Yuanzheng A2-W is able to run deep learning algorithms locally without delay. The sense of sight is supported by a high-resolution dual optical camera system, LiDAR sensor, and 3D depth sensor that maps space accurately. Amazingly, the tip of the claw is equipped with a sensitive force sensor that provides a feeling effect so that it can assemble fragile electronic components without damaging them.